Lost photos on your iPhone or iPad? No iCloud or iTunes backup? It's frustrating, but you're not alone. Whether it's an iOS update, accidental deletion, or a sync glitch, your photos can disappear in a flash. In this video, we'll show you why it happens and how to get your lost photos back. Part 1. Why do photos disappear from my iPhone iPad? Photos missing after iOS 18, 17, 16, 15 update. They might be hidden, deleted, unsynced, or lost from iCloud or account changes, low storage, or software glitches. Part 2. How to fix the photos disappeared from iPhone or iPad issue. Fix 1. Check recently deleted album. Open Photos albums recently deleted. Select missing photos and tap Recover to restore. Fix 2. Restart your iPhone or iPad. Press and hold the sleep or wake button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to power off your device. Press and hold the sleep or wake button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Unhide iPhone photos. Open Photos albums hidden. If photos are there, select them, tap Share, then choose Unhide. Fix 4. Turn on iCloud Photo Library. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, to find iCloud Photo Library. Then move the switch to the right side. After a while, back to the Photos app to see if the images are there. Fix 5. Log into your iCloud account again. Open the iPhone Settings app and select Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID email address and password. If two-factor authentication is active, provide the verification code. Part 3. How to recover disappeared photos on iPhone or iPad. No data loss. For photos that have been lost, if you want to recover them, you might consider using MobiConductor for iOS, which is an excellent iOS data recovery solution that can not only recover deleted contacts and messages. Step 1. Download and install the software before launching it on computer. Select the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode. Then the tool will scan your computer and display all the iTunes backup files. Step 2. Select the iTunes backup that would contain your disappeared photos and click Start Scan. After a while, all files in the iTunes backup will be scanned out. Choose Camera Roll and Photos and click Start Scan again. Number 2. Recover disappeared iPhone or iPad photos from iCloud backup. Step 1. Choose Recover from iCloud on the left sidebar of the recovery modes. In the ensuing window, input your iCloud credentials to log in. Number 2. Recover disappeared iPhone or iPad photos from iCloud backup. Step 1. Choose Recover from iCloud on the left sidebar of the recovery modes. In the ensuing window, input your iCloud credentials to log in. Step 2. Upon successful iCloud login, all synced files will be showcased. Opt for the Photos category and click Next. Subsequently, the download of your iCloud synced files will commence. Step 3. Once the iCloud sync file download is complete, preview and select the desired photos. Click Recover to Computer to effortlessly save them on your computer with a single click.